A woman throws hands at the casino. A dude loses his shorts on national television. Basically. And Mexico wants more of your money before you even hit the ship. It's all happening on this week's edition of The Cruise Brief. Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name is David, and this is The Cruise Brief, where we think cruise news is better than mainstream news anytime. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go through what's making waves, what's worth knowing, and what's just simply crazy. If you're one of those people getting more excited about a new cruise ship than you do about a political headline, you are in the right place. And while you're here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll go ahead and get started with our first story. Nothing says vacation like a woman getting escorted out of the casino for the third time. A viral TikTok video from the Duke of Hoagies 610, way to go dude, you got it all in there, had about 90,000 views in 3 days over a woman who was getting rather rowdy in the Casino Royale on the Utopia of the Seas. The video shows two women standing next to each other at the bar. While one woman is kind of looking in shock, the other woman is yelling and telling the woman to get out of her face. Then she proceeds to push her. The victim doesn't fight back. Although I would say, why would the victim not just back up and go, hey, you know what, I don't want any problems. I'm gonna get out of your face, I'm gonna move on. Hey, have a nice day, and just walk away. Now, I'm not victim shaming here because she didn't deserve what she got. She did throw her hands up and not fight back, which tells me she knows that if she got into the altercation, she may never cruise again. Now, the person who kept going at her didn't really think about that. Security steps in and kind of forms a human wall in between the two, but the aggressor just kept coming back for more and for more. She wouldn't stop. She wouldn't leave well enough alone. Now, I'm not one to say that alcohol plays a part in everything, although I will say if you are prone to tell someone to get out of your face rather loudly, if you're having a few alcoholic beverages, that could be elevated. Plus, if you're in the casino and you just gambled away a bunch of money, you may not be feeling too good about yourself either. But I will say, there is a thing called personal space. Don't get in my personal space, I won't get in your personal space. Now, Royal Caribbean's Code of Conduct simply states, inappropriate or abusive behavior is not permitted. This includes uninvited physical solicitation, harassment, vandalism, theft, and violence. Yeah, I think this last one is maybe what got this person in trouble. Any violation of this code of conduct can serve as a reason for punishment, which includes confinement to your cabin, suspension of loyalty benefits, or a demotion in your loyalty status, early removal from the cruise ship. Nobody wants that. And here's the one. Even a lifetime ban. Now look, there's 7,000 people roughly on this ship, all wanting to do the same thing you are. Have a good time. Enjoy your vacation. Letting someone in your personal space, now I don't know what happened beforehand. This victim could have said something or done something that really set this lady off. But I will say, not controlling yourself can lead to you being banned. And if you don't want to be banned, you may just think, okay, I want to just back up here. I know this lady's in my space. I know she's wronged me, or I know she's done something that I've found offensive. I don't want to go any further. Now, same time, the person who's the victim, same thing. Back up, get away, de-escalate. I'm a big proponent of de-escalation. If anything can be de-escalated, let's de-escalate it. For your sake, so you don't get banned, for the other person's sake so they don't get hurt, for everybody's sake to have a good time. I'll just say it like this. Enjoy your vacation. Don't become the story on a viral TikTok. Nobody got time for that. All right, from a fight that nobody wanted to an incident that happened on the ship that everybody wished they had filmed. Yes, I can't let this story go, guys. The dude wiped out on the Flow Rider. All my friends ride the Flow Rider. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong one. Anyway, this dude was on the Flow Rider, and lo and behold, he lost his britches. Now, it was bad enough that he lost his britches, but you know how it is. Everybody's gathered around watching people, because they want to see people wipe out. I know I do. Hey, let's see if this dude can make it. And then you get the surprise of a lifetime. Whoa, his shorts came off. They're gone. Now, Royal Caribbean says, please, don't wear two pieces. And don't wear loose trunks. Wear something that fits really good, really tight, really tight. Make sure it's on there, all right? Well, look, the dude had a great attitude about it. He posted about it on Reddit. He led with a joke, not shame. He said, look, my ass hurts. My elbow's bruised. But nothing hurt more than hearing people yell, his shorts came off. He actually went on Reddit to ask people, please, don't post the video. I know you guys had your cameras out. I saw you. Please don't post the video. But if you happen to get video or photos, please send them to him so he could laugh at himself. He said that nobody he talked to afterwards said they filmed it. They were pretty cool. Now, for his shorts, we presume they're lost at sea because he did threaten to throw them overboard because they let him down. And there have been many people who have been offering thoughts and prayers for his shorts who may be lost. So here's old Uncle David's PSA to you. Check your shorts before you get on the flow rider. Okay, we've had a fight. We've had a wardrobe malfunction, and now we're going to talk about something that's going to hit you in your wallet. Mexico's cruise tax just doubled. Doubling down, baby. It went from $5 to $10 starting on August 1st. Now, this applies to every port in Mexico: Cabo, Puerto Vallarta, Costa Maya, or as a good friend of mine, the Jolly Cruise Vlogger, calls it, close to closed. The good thing is they're only going to charge you for one port in Mexico if your itinerary has multiple. They're not going to hit you every time you go. And this is going to be buried in your cruise fare. It's not like they're going to be waiting at the end of the gangway saying, give me 10 bucks, dude. Give me 10. No, it's not like that. It's going to get buried in your cruise fare. It'll be there as kind of your ports and fees, your port fees and your taxes. It'll all be in that, right? Here's the kicker, though. They're going to keep going. They're going to raise it to $15 come July 1st of 2027. And then they're going up to $21 in August of 2028. Now, they say they're going to have a little mercy on us and not do any more than $21 up through September 30th of 2030. And remember, folks, this could always be worse. At first, Mexico wanted $42 per person. And then the cruise industry got together and said, no, come on, man, don't do this to us. So they pulled back and said, all right, we won't do $42, but we're going to go up to $21. Now, again, cruise lines aren't rerouting. They're not going to stop going to Mexico. Those ports are fantastic. And let's face it, the Mexican cruise ports are booming. 4.8 million people visited those ports in Mexico between January and April of 2026. That's a 15% increase year over year. Mexico's not alone in this. You've got Hawaii, you've got Amsterdam, you've got Greece. They're all doing the same thing. It's becoming a very common thing for very popular ports. So I'll just say this, if you don't want to pay that extra fee, just take the trip now. Has a whole nother meaning. Prices in general, they're not going down. Now to recap, we had a fight on Royal Caribbean. We had a dude lose his shorts on Royal Caribbean. We have Mexico taking more of our money. And all I've got to say to you guys is you just got to keep on cruising, man. And if you liked any of this video whatsoever, please do hit that subscribe and like button. Maybe share it with a friend and tell them about Travel by David. And if you're looking to take your next cruise and you'd like some help with that, I can do that too. Just contact me at this email. I will be glad to help you pick the right cruise for you. Until next time, come on, man. Just take the trip.